Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, fellow gearheads. Today, I'm thrilled to dive into the heart of off-road performance with a topic close to every Honda 300 Fourtrax enthusiast's heart: carburetors. Join me as we explore the world's top 5 best carburetors meticulously crafted to elevate your Fourtrax's performance to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your journey, this guide is packed with insights you won't want to miss. So, without further ado, let's rev up those engines and dive in. Check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. Carbhub Carburetor, the ultimate solution for your Honda ATV's performance needs. Specifically designed for models like the Fourtrax 300, 350, Foreman 400, 450, and Rancher 350, this carburetor ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration, guaranteeing optimal engine functionality. Engineered to meet the exact specifications of Honda's renowned vehicles, it offers unparalleled reliability and performance. Whether you're tackling tough trails or cruising through rugged terrain, this carburetor delivers consistent fuel delivery and smooth acceleration, enhancing your riding experience. Say goodbye to engine issues and hello to seamless power delivery with the Carbhub Carburetor. It's the perfect choice for those seeking the best carburetor for Honda 300 Fourtrax and other compatible models. Upgrade your ATV's performance today and conquer any adventure with confidence. Number 2. ATV Park Carburetor Carb, the ideal solution for enhancing the performance of your Honda ATVs. Engineered for precision and durability, this carburetor ensures optimum engine performance, delivering increased power and torque to your vehicle. Crafted to OEM standards, it expertly mixes fuel and air to maintain smooth engine operation, preventing fuel shortages or spillage. Compatible with a range of Honda models including the Fourtrax 300 TRX300 FW, Fourtrax TRX 350, Foreman TRX 400 FW 400, and more, this carburetor offers versatility and reliability. Featuring inner and outer diameters of 33mm per 39mm and 50mm per 54mm respectively, adjustments during installation may be required depending on engine conditions. Backed by a 12-month warranty, your satisfaction is guaranteed. For the best carburetor for Honda 300 Fourtrax, trust the performance and quality of ATV Park. Number 3. Carbhub Carburetor, the ultimate solution for your Honda 300 Fourtrax, ensuring optimal performance from 1988 to 2000 models. Crafted with precision, this carburetor guarantees seamless compatibility with Honda TRX 300 Fourtrax, replacing parts with ease. With a package including 1X carburetor, restoration of your machine's power and efficiency becomes a breeze. Equipped with various part numbers like 16100HM5L01 and 16100HC4-033, this carburetor promises reliability and longevity. To ensure a perfect fit, we recommend comparing the provided picture with your unit. Elevate your riding experience with Carburetor, the go-to destination for top-quality powersports aftermarket parts. Explore our extensive range on the Carburetor Amazon store and witness unparalleled performance today. Discover why the Carburetor Carburetor stands as the best carburetor for Honda 300 Fourtrax enthusiasts everywhere. Number 4. Ils TRX300 Carburetor, your ultimate solution for optimizing the performance of your Honda 300 Fourtrax. Engineered to fit seamlessly into models spanning from 1988 to 2000, including the TRX 300 Fourtrax and TRX 300 FW Fourtrax, this carburetor ensures a perfect replacement fit. Its compatibility extends to various other models like the TRX 450 Foreman series, catering to a wider range of Honda enthusiasts. With an inner diameter of 33mm and outer diameter of 39mm on the intake side, and 50 mm inner diameter and 54 mm outer diameter on the air filter side. This carburetor promises efficient airflow for optimal engine performance. The package also includes an oil filter with an air filter, ensuring you have everything you need for a smooth installation process. Elevate your riding experience with the Ils TRX300 Carburetor, the best carburetor for your Honda 300 Fourtrax. Number 5. Hudo Carburetor, the ultimate solution for your Honda ATV's engine performance needs. Specifically designed to fit a range of models including the Fourtrax 300, 350, Foreman 400, 450, and Rancher 350, this carburetor kit ensures optimal fuel delivery and engine efficiency. Say goodbye to performance hiccups with its comprehensive kit, featuring essential components like a black throttle base cover, throttle cable, fuel filter, air filter, oil filter, and spark plug. Engineered as a direct replacement for various Honda carburetor models, including the sought-after 1988 Honda 300 Fourtrax carburetor, it guarantees seamless installation and compatibility. Plus, with our satisfaction guarantee, you can test its performance risk-free for 30 days. Elevate your ATV's performance with the Hudo Carburetor and experience the reliability and power your Honda deserves. In conclusion, choosing the best carburetor for your Honda 300 Fourtrax is essential for optimal performance and longevity. Whether you prioritize efficiency, power, or durability, there's a carburetor out there to meet your needs. Remember to consider factors like compatibility and budget before making your decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updated videos.